Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is Sunday here and we are having a nice relaxing morning. Woke up around 8-ish because we fell asleep so early last night. It's not a very eventful Saturday, but it actually felt very good. Got a really good sleep in. And so I have just been spending the morning reading on my Kindle here, and in about an hour we have an Eagles playoff game to watch, so that's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a time.
The amount of expletives that are gonna come out of Jill's mouth.
I know, I can't even think about it right now. So I just wanted to pop in and say good morning, and I'm back to my book now. Okay, friends, finally managed to drag myself out of bed. And I'm still just working my way through my morning chai here. Connor brought it to me in bed, which was very kind. Thank you, Connor.
No problem, baby. Love you.
Love you. Hi, Molly Cat. Come here. Yeah, come to mama. Look at this little baby. Say good morning, everyone. I love you. Okay. So today is going to be a big cleaning day. It's going to be the first big deep clean of the year, which very excited to get done, although obviously never looking forward to it. I imagine that it's going to be quite a big one since we want to get through the whole place. So anyway, I thought I would start with laundry because I have not done laundry in quite a while, so it's definitely going to be a double load day. What a pain. And actually very exciting because today's video is sponsored by True Earth, and I'm going to be using their eco strips to do my laundry today. You guys have probably seen me use these in a ton of videos. So I like to use two of the different eco strip products here. So this first one is the laundry detergent strips in fragrance free, and I like to use that when washing our clothes. And then the other one is fresh linen, and this is what I like to use when it comes to sheets and towels. Just after using these, everything feels so soft and fluffy, and there's just no better feeling than fresh towels, fresh sheets, and when you have this fresh linen scent on it, it just makes everything feel extra clean and crisp. I absolutely love it. So what's cool is they actually offer a subscription service that you can check out. So you'll basically get these little flat envelopes in the mail that have your laundry strips in them. Voila, there's some. And these are obviously totally recyclable, which is awesome because then you're not using plastic jugs and just throwing them away when they're empty. You also don't have to like actually measure out any liquid in one of the cups, and then that gets everywhere because everything is just pre-measured in the strips. And if you want to, you can actually grab this little tin as well. This is what I keep ours in. So I have like the fresh linen ones on one side and the fragrance free on the other. That way I know which I'm grabbing from. And it's great because this tin is just super thin, super lightweight, easy to store. You don't have to like lug around a big jug. It's definitely a huge goal of mine this year to continue to try to be even more eco-friendly, even more sustainable. So I'm just really glad that I got to partner with True Earth on this video and that they're coming along on my journey. So it's literally as easy as just pulling open the box, and it comes in a square like this, but this is actually two strips, so you just rip them apart and toss it in your washing machine and you're done. Just in case you didn't know how to use detergent. So I definitely highly recommend that you guys check out True Earth. I actually have a discount code that you can use. It's Jill10, and True Earth offers tons of other products other than just the detergent strips, so you can check it out. I'm going to have a link down in the description, of course, to their website, and I'll reiterate my discount code there for you guys. That way you can go and try out these for yourself because I think that you actually will really love them. Now, to sort through our laundry basket and decide what is actually dirty and what just got thrown in there. Do you guys see that too, where you're just like getting undressed so everything goes in your laundry basket, but then when you're actually doing laundry you're like, oh, some of this stuff didn't even get worn or only got worn once, when it's, you know, a product or an item that you can wear more than once. I do that all the time. So I always have to sort through and be like, what is actually dirty or what's just semi-dirty and we can wear it again. For example, jeans. Only wore these once since they were washed, so definitely don't need to do them again. So now that I'm getting my laundry going, Connor and I are going to start the Eagles game, which I am so nervous about.
Yeah.
This video is going up so much later than this game, so if you guys are sports fans, you probably know what happens.
Connor, let it go.
Yeah, sorry about the pain that you're about to experience.
Enjoy the moment.
Oh gosh, I'm nervous. There we go, one full load in the washer, and we'll come back for part 2 once this is done. All right, let's get this laundry going. That's good. Close this guy up. and we're in action. There goes Molly Cat. Tough start over here, you guys. It's not going great for the Eagles. We literally have 0 points, so. But that's okay. Anyway, it's halftime now, so we're gonna play a game. Connor downloaded this new game for us. What's it called, Con?
It Takes Two.
It Takes Two. It's on the PlayStation 5. I don't know if it's also maybe on the 4 other consoles.
Yeah, it's on others.
But Connor saw it because it was a co-op game. We're always looking for like co-op puzzle games to play together because we find them to be really fun. It's very funny because we thought it was like this cute little story about this husband and wife and you like go on this little adventure together. The game starts, the storyline is instantly about divorce. It's just this little girl like living in her fantasy world with her dolls, pretending like her parents aren't getting a divorce. The game itself is actually very, very fun. Yeah. It's super fun figuring out where to go, the different puzzles, stuff like that. That's what we're gonna do with our time here because I need a little mood booster. That game is not doing it for me.
No.
That is for sure. But gotta switch my laundry over too and get our second load going here. This to start. All right. Food got delivered. I was in the mood for some nuggets today, so we went for some McDonald's. I'm very excited. I think this is the Diet Coke. Yeah, this is the sweet tea for sure. Love it. We have fries, of course. Here you go, Con. Some ranch and some sweet and sour dipping sauce for my nuggets. And then Connor got a Big Mac. Here you go.
Thank you.
And I got some nuggets. And we're gonna eat and watch the Eagles get killed some more. Well, football did not go over great, you guys. As predicted, but you know, at least now I don't have to suffer anymore. I am out of the Eagles football season until next year when the suffering will return. Anyway, McDonald's was delicious and I have just sat here for an hour trying to digest it because I want to try to work out now. Bold call, but I'm gonna go for it. It's 2 p.m. and it's actually a really nice day outside. Yes, 71 degrees right now, so I'm gonna get a little outdoor workout in since it's so nice. Okay, we are ready for a Sunday workout. Usually I would never work out on a Sunday, but I didn't work out yesterday and I want to get my 4th workout for the weekend, so we're just making it happen. So today I am doing a 33-minute HIIT class. So it's gonna be a lot of jumping around. Again, great move with the McDonald's, Jill. That's just perfect. Oh, wish me luck, you guys. This is gonna be such a mess. Oh my gosh, you guys, workout complete. That was really hard. As you guys know, I do not do a lot of cardio. Sorry, it was so quiet on this street earlier and now suddenly it's so loud. Like, what's happening? At least it was quiet during my workout. Anyway, I don't do a ton of cardio, so when I do it, it's always a challenge, but it was good. It was a good challenge. Felt good to get a sweat in, and now our cleaning day is going to continue. Got to switch over the laundry, fold it, and then start on some other parts of the house. Oh man, my legs are so wobbly right now from after that workout. Oh my god. I just walked down the hill to go into the mailroom, and it was so hard. But before we start the clean, I figured I would unbox some stuff. That way we can take the boxes out with recycling. Might as well knock it out, and I have a couple little packages here that I want to open with you guys. So this first one is from Living Proof, which I'm so excited about. I get so excited every time that I get a package from Living Proof. We actually have quite a few like hair product things I'm going to show you here today, which is fun. Oh wow, so many goodies in here. A shower like Bluetooth speaker. That's cool. Have a cute little mug here. I love the color of this. It says, "May your day be as nice as your hair." So cute. And then we have a Living Proof product here. This is their full volume and texture spray. I love their texture spray so much, especially for when I have my hair straight and I want to just like add a little bit of that beachy feeling. I love using this for that. I've actually never tried it on my curly hair before, so we would have to play around with that a little bit, see how it goes. So big thank you to Living Proof. So fun fun. Love getting goodies from them. Next up, I have an Allure beauty box. Apparently my brain isn't working after that workout either. So this is their January box, and they sent me a preview of what would be in here, and it looks like a lot of really good stuff, so I'm excited. So first up, I have a hair product, very fun. This is the Christoph Robin Hydrating Leave-In Mist. So you know we'll be trying this because we're always trying to hydrate our hair. I have a Sunday Riley Eye Serum. Solana MD Healthy Base Layer with Vitamin D. Oh yeah, I was really excited about this. This is the Rare Beauty Volumizing Mascara. I've heard amazing things about this. I actually haven't tried anything from Rare Beauty yet, so very excited to play around with this. Okay, and then we have this little shower oil here and these Bliss Eye under eye strips. Maybe we'll use these today. I could definitely use a little boost, or maybe we'll save them for a little Monday morning treat. And there you go, that's everything in the January Allure beauty box. Big thank you to Allure for sending me this. I can't wait to try all of these new goodies. And then this last box here is from a brand called Bread Beauty that does hair products, a lot of which, or maybe all of which, are specifically made for curly hair. I'm not sure, but they definitely have a curly girl range. And I followed this new to me, curly haired influencer, Amanda, and she has the most amazing hair videos, and I saw her use the Bread Beauty oil, so I definitely wanted to try that. So that's sort of how I discovered this brand. Okay, so it looks like they did send me the hair oil. I mentioned that I really wanted to try it, so very excited about this. Also, look at this packaging. Like, are you kidding me? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So this is their Everyday Gloss hair oil. Oh, it smells heavenly. Almost like strawberry. Oh, it smells so good. Molly Cat, what are you doing? Molly? Cat's always getting into something, isn't she? Then we have 2 packets of their Creamy Deep Conditioner. This one is specifically made for 3A to 4C curls, but I would assume that they have some for all curls. Ooh, look, a hair wash. Genty Milky Hair Cleanser for all curly types. Very intrigued to try this, and I love this packaging. It's very interesting. It looks like you can really like squeeze every last drop out of these, which I'm always very into. Ooh, we have another big scrunchie. Again, another one that's really good for sleeping. It's just so like big and chunky and silk. And then we have this cute little bag, which is so adorable. All right, we have 2 other products. We have a mud mask to detox your hair and your scalp. Molly Cat, you're making a lot of noise. And then this other product is a scalp serum cooling greens. So look at this. It's like this little green color. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. And it comes with a little dropper tool here too. Love it. So you can actually apply this in your hair at night and then wash it out the next day. And it's really good for your scalp. So love that. And you can use a little dropper to like help precisely sort of put it in your hair at your scalp. I'm obsessed. Big thank you to Bread Beauty for sending me this package because I cannot wait to try these products. I feel like they're about to be new favorites of mine. Today's sort of just like a clean, get ready for the week sort of day. We probably won't try a ton of these today, but I will definitely try them on the vlog for you guys. Alrighty guys, let the clean begin. I think I'm gonna start by just taking out the recycling here. Just get that out of the way, and then we're gonna start moving through these rooms and getting some work done. Working on getting my laundry folded. Now that it's done, everything feels so soft and clean now. Ugh. There's nothing better than having an empty laundry basket, even though it lasts 0.2 seconds because the stuff that I'm wearing is about to go in there. But you have to enjoy the 0.2 seconds that you have it. But everything feels soft and just lovely. So another big shout out to True Earth for sponsoring this video. I really do love and use their product all the time. Since the laundry is my least favorite chore, it just helps to make it a little bit more bearable when my clothes turn out so lovely at the end. After I'm done with this, our clean will commence. I imagine that it's gonna be a bit of a big one, maybe a nice hour-and-a-half, 2-hour endeavor. It's gonna be really nice just to get everything nice and clean. I haven't done a big cleaning refresh in the new year yet. Obviously done some tidying, but no like deep cleaning, so it's gonna feel really good to get our floors really clean, our bathrooms really clean, all of that. And Connor has kindly offered to handle the bathrooms today, which I obviously greatly appreciate, as always. And I'm actually going to do a bigger video where I clean out all of my beauty stuff. It deeply needs like a clean out, just purging stuff that I don't use anymore. I have so many empty bottles that I hold on to because I don't know, I'm just a hoarder about them. So I'm gonna do a separate video about that honestly you guys might have seen by now. My upload schedule is a little thrown off just because of the branded content schedule for this video. So that might have been the last video that you saw, but if it's not, then it probably will be the next. So hold on tight to that. First thing we're tackling is the kitchen. Man, okay, you guys, as predicted, that clean took about 2 hours, but we got a lot done. We figured out where we're gonna store the Christmas tree, which we definitely needed to do. Got our subwoofer hooked up that I bought for Connor for Christmas, so very excited about that. The bass sounds insane in our sound system. It's really cool. What else? What other little tasks? Oh, we got our old TV on OfferUp. We're gonna try to sell that. So we'll see how that goes. And then obviously actually cleaned our place, which was really nice. And I'm definitely ready to chill. I do have to get just a little bit of work done. I have to make a thumbnail for tomorrow. So I'm gonna work on that right now. And then it's gonna be a very chill rest of the day, which I'm so looking forward to. Might have to turn this down for just a sec. I'm just taking a quick walk. I was like, oh, a massacre. Yeah. Perfect. Connor's just playing a video game, so you know. If you hear something happening, it's because a village is being attacked. Literally. People dying in the background. Just making dinner. Connor and I are feeling lazy today, so we're just gonna sort of make whatever. And I was craving some mac and cheese. Hasn't been my healthiest weekend, but that's okay. I was very healthy this week. It's just this weekend was a bit of a shit show, but that's okay. I don't care at all, to be honest. Connor made mac and cheese earlier this week when he wasn't feeling well, and it looked so good. I was very jealous, so had to have it for myself. Eating my dinner in bed because I wanted Connor to be able to keep playing his game, and watching the new season of Cheer. I'm on episode 4 now. Really been enjoying it. You're so purry. Just coming in to say goodnight to you guys. Hope that you enjoyed today's video. A nice little productive Sunday. I love a Sunday that's productive but relaxing. I read a good amount of my book. I'm way more than halfway through now, so very excited to get to the end of that. I'm still reading Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover, by the way. Connor's just sort of shutting down everything out there, but we are heading to bed. So thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Say goodnight, little purry cat. Good night.